This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming who owns what, the composition versus the master recording. Contact publishers for composition rights and the label or artist for the master. Once you have names, ask whether they already license to social platforms. Make sure to document responses. Next, state clearly you want a sync license for videos and a master license if you will use the original recording. This first step prevents surprises and forms the basis for a legal request. You draft a formal license request that states the project, Facebook as the distribution platform, duration, territories, and any monetization plans. Once sent, negotiate fees, exclusivity, and attribution terms. Be precise about start and end dates. Make sure the agreement covers both sync and master rights if applicable. When terms are settled, get a signed, dated contract. Scan and store it. Having a contract that explicitly names Facebook avoids ambiguity during platform rights checks. You upload the video and include license details and descriptions and metadata, such as license holder, date, and contract reference. If Facebook flags the audio, promptly submit the signed agreement or license excerpt through the platform's dispute form. Make sure file names and timestamps match. Once live, monitor takedowns and keep rights holder contact info handy. If an issue reappears, contact the licensor for direct intervention. This single, documented license path is your legal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.